All right. So moving forward, right? Moving forward. All right. Today, what are we going to do? Okay. Today, right? We are going to do something called algebra. All right. So we are going to do something called algebra today. So I think that is the best time to teach because when you start to go to school, right, your teachers will start to cram you with all these different topics, science, math, English, Chinese, or mother tongue, other mother tongues coming in. I tell you, it's going to be very fierce. All right. So there is a very little time for us to really try to, enjoy algebra a little bit. And some of your school, right, will not be starting algebra first. I know. Some of your school will be starting fractions or maybe even whole numbers. They do a recap. All right. So they will leave algebra to maybe the end of the year. But some of the schools will be doing algebra. All right. So what happened at 88 Tuition is we are trying to follow the school textbook. So school textbook, the first topic is algebra. So we are doing algebra. Simple as that. So you will think that, hey, Cher, I haven't do it, but never mind, just learn first. All right. No excuse. Eventually, you are supposed to take the PSLE. You cannot say that, I take the PSLE in December. Cannot. It's in October, means in October one. There's no choice. All right, and algebra will be part of the syllabus that will be tested. So no matter what, whatever you learn, right, you are supposed to absorb as best as you can. Okay, come, children. I need you to have a little exercise book with you. All right. So this exercise book, right, will be your secret recipe book or your kung fu book. All right, where you're going to write in all the important juices. All right, all the important notes, so that whenever you need a revision, right, you can go to this exercise book. All right. So usually I have this A4 exercise book. All right, this A4 exercise book. And in front, right, of course, you should call it a P6 math. All right, you are P6 ready. All right, give a head. Huh, sorry?
I have jotted book instead.
Okay, very good, Giselle. Thank you.
Use the jotted book.
Oh, jotted book can. All right. I prefer those with lines one. I mean, those a single line one. All right. Hey, do you know that those jotted book in Popular, right? The single line one. Well, I went to Popular book shop in Singapore, right? One book, the A4 book, right, is about $1.20. And the price slowly increased. Last time it was about 80 cents. Then it becomes $1. Then I think now it's like $1.35, something like that. Very expensive, the A4 with lines one. But now, right, I smarter already. All right. Last Friday, I just went to JB. Wow! One book only 85 cents. Sing. Wow, I'm very happy. So I went to grab like 10 books back. Right,
isn't that the bus will charge you 85 cents? And that is the same thing at JB, how much the book costs.
no, in Singapore, the book is about $1.20. But the jotted book in JB, all right, I went to the Popular bookshop, is 85 cents. So it's cheaper lah. Yeah. So because of the Singapore's exchange rate, Singapore, our money is actually quite strong. So when we go to Malaysia, we are able to exchange more money. All right. So for example, some of you might be going to Japan. Whoa, Japan, the currency is actually quite weak. So you can actually go to Japan to buy more things actually. Yeah. So just to let you know, the exercise book, right? This is like an exercise book. You can call it the P6 math. All right. So this is the exercise book. All right. So actually, you at least have an exercise book, right, to write in all the important notes. All right. Then it'll be easier. So every time, just refer to that book can already. All right. And of course, you write your name lah, right? Your name is, for example, my name is Bern. All right. You can decorate, you can write nicely. And your class, you can call it the awesome. Awesome! All right, because you guys are awesome. Firstly, by attending lessons. All right, hello. Remis and Tristan, can you please turn on your video if you don't mind? All right, because that's one of the rules from 88 Tuition. All right, so it's just to ensure that you are behind the camera, and Victoria also. All right, maybe I think no, Jiaqi also. All right, if you can present your face would be great. Thank you so much. Okay, so moving forward, right? All right, we are going to do something called what? We are going to do something called algebra today. All right, the first topic is called algebra. So inside your exercise book, right, you can turn to the first page. All right, you can give it a heading called algebra. So as you can see, right? Oh, your microphone and camera is broken, Tristan. Thank you for letting me know. Thank you for informing me. Thank you so much. All right, because if you don't let me know, then I also don't know whether you can hear me or not. All right, Remis, are you there? All right, so Tristan, can I just check again as I say just now, right? I do not have your name inside my attendance list. Right? Can you maybe just let me know through the chat your daddy's or mommy's name? Oh yes, Philan. All right, so Philan is Tristan, is it? Okay, Ken, thank you so much. All right, I got Philan. Good, thank you so much. Remis, how are you today? Very good. Okay, so today we are going to do something called algebra. And the word algae, right? Can you see this portion? All right, not algae, this portion, All right, it's actually right from the word alphabet. All right, the AL. Sorry?
You say it in the bottle.
In the what photo?
The bottle.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's the same person, right? Yeah. So yeah, it's me lah. All right. Oh yeah, I haven't introduced myself. Oh my goodness. Hey, for those who are new, Emma, Tristan. My name is Ben Ong from 88 Tuition. All right, I'm the lead teacher from 88. All right. So sometimes if you watch my e-learning video, all right, that's me, like just basically me. All right. But now I'm presenting to you real life. All right, it's the real me. All right. So the word algebra actually links to the word alphabet. The alphabet, using alphabet, right, to represents secret numbers. Using alphabet to represent secret numbers. All right. So this is my definition of algebra. All right. So you got some special special message to pass to your friend, right? But you don't want everybody to know. Wow. Imagine you use alphabet to represent it. All right. So just to let you know, right? Just to let you know, just to show you, just to let you know, last time, long time ago, all right, you go and ask your daddy and mommy. All right, you go and ask your daddy and mommy. We have something called a pager. You all don't know what is a pager, right? You all never heard of pager before. You all know what is a handphone, right? You know what is a smartphone. But you all never seen a what? A pager before. Sorry?
How do you pronounce?
Pager. All right, so a pager, right, is like, seriously, you all don't know it's a pager. The so different generation. Okay, you go and ask your daddy and mommy. They must know what is a pager. All right, if your daddy and mommy don't know a pager, I will slap myself. All right, so this is a pager. A pager is whereby you have a little device. All right, and there is a screen. There's just a small screen like that, and there are just 3 buttons. All right, there are 3 buttons. All right, there are 3 buttons, something like that. Okay, so what does a pager do? What does a pager do? All right, so for example, last time don't have handphone, last time don't have smartphone, you must remember that. Okay, so for example, we only have a pager. Okay, so for example, I dial the pager number. All right, I dial this number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. No, it's not a fax machine. All right. So this pager, right, is like a little little pocket device, all right, that we carry in our pocket. So for example, right, all right, when I'm needed.
I know what it is.
Okay. When I am needed, right, somebody or my daddy, mommy, right, they will call this number. They will call 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And my pager will ring. And when I look at the pager, right, I can see numbers down here. Right, I can see numbers down here. So on the screen, I can see numbers. And the number, right, will tell me who is the caller. All right, so the number will tell me that, oh, it's actually my mommy looking for me. Then what must I do? I must go to find a public phone, put 10 cents into the phone, and dial the number and say, hello, mommy. So last time it was so troublesome, I tell you. Now it's like super new age, man. Children, you're living in a new age world. All right. Yeah, some Remis is showing me a pager. Correct. All right, and it's so troublesome, you know. So everybody holds a pager. So for example, my daddy will message me. My daddy will call me to call back. So he will call the pager, and I will see his number, and I have to go to find a phone to call him back. So that is the procedure. Understand or not? So a pager will tells you who calls you. All right. But this pager, right, just to let you know, we managed to find some way to pass on the message. All right. So beside putting in the telephone number, there's something called alphanumeric. Alphanumeric. Okay. So for example, children, this is not important. This is not important. I'm just saying because I thought that is useful. All right. So using alphanumeric, right, you can actually put some secret messages, or actually can use the different numbers, right, to what? To send a message across. So instead of just looking at the number, okay, oh, my daddy call or my mommy call. All right, I can see a message down here. All right, I am full. All right, I can see English words, I am full. All right, so somebody can actually type in these messages. All right, and this is something called alphanumeric. Okay, so how does alphanumeric works? If you have a handphone, you go and take a look at the handphone. You go on to the call. All right, you go and call, go look for the call. Right? Do you see something? Do you see this? Hey, this one is not banana. Hey, stop it. This is not a banana. This is a telephone call. Right? Do you see that number 2? Under number 2 got ABC. Do you see that? Have you ever wondered how come, right? Under the number 2 got ABC.
I've never seen that before.
How come the number 3 got DEF? Have you ever wondered this? All right, go and look at your daddy's mommy's phone. All right, go and key in the phone portion. Have you seen all this? All right. All right. Oh, okay. Maybe some of your phone don't have lah. Is it? All right, but most of your phone should have. All right. Then under number 4, right, is like GHI. Do you see that or not? All right. So actually, right down here, right, you're able to use all these numbers, right, to send some secret codes there. Do you know that? To people. All right. Just to let you know. Just to let you know. All right. So last time, what do we do? All right. So I want to key in I am full. All right. So can you see that the I is like the third number, the third alphabet? So I will key in 43. 43 means I. You understand? Oh, some of you mind blown, right? Don't know, right? That's because we are living in the different era. Come on. Everything for you is, everything for you is smartphone. Just press the on button. Ding, 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 ding. Internet, you can search who is Burn Ong, is Burn a male or female. You can go and find out everything, my goodness. All right, that's why we are living in the different era. All right. So when you key 43, it means I. Can? Then you want to tell your, okay, let's not talk about boyfriend and girlfriend, right? Bad teaching, right? So you say that I am full, right? I am full. So we try to use short form M. So we use what? 6-1. M. Can you see? Full. All right, 3-3. All right, U is what? U belongs to the 8-2. All right, L is what? L is 5-3.
You forgot the A.
Huh? What A?
Look for M.
Hey, Giselle, relax, man. You know about you young people, right? You like to use short form, right? TGIF,
Wait, are we-
LOL,
Are we
right?
gonna use this for actual algebra? The 2 ABC, 3DF kind of thing?
Sorry again, Gordon?
Are we gonna use this for
No,
actual algebra?
no. But I'm just trying to tell you that there are secret. Okay, there are different ways of. Okay, I'm trying to link back to such that we have different ways of presenting numbers, and eventually it becomes a secret message. Understand or not? So algebra is something like that, whereby the alphabet, right, it actually holds a secret number to it. And all you got to do is to know that there's a secret number to it. You have to go and decipher what the message is about. That's algebra. All right, I'm just trying to give you an analogy as what is happening. All right, but this pager portion is really the fact. It's really true. All right, I'm not lying to you. All right, because I use that also. All right, and Giselle, just to answer your question, come on. You guys are, younger generation than me.
No,
Right.
I don't do that.
Okay, maybe not you. All right, but many of your peers are using short form, right?
I don't know.
Right, they are saying that W WTH or WFH, work from home.